molecules of water. But it is mixed with water, that is a fact, but there is another process which evaporates the water. Suppose you are mixed with the water, the Mayavadi philosophy, that let us mix with the big water, then I become big. Because here in the material world, he tried to become big in so many ways, but he could not become big. Therefore, he wants to merge into the biggest Brahma, so that he thinks that he will become. He is already Brahma. So, the Brahma effulgence is a combination of so many sparks of living entities. So this philosophy, to merge into the big Brahma, Supreme Brahma, or effulgence, Brahma Jyoti, that is not very secure position. It is said in the Shastra that arujya krichena parang padang tataha patanti adha, they fall down. We have seen that many Mayavadi philosophers or sannyasis, they give up this world as mithya, false. But after some time, they again come to this false material world, false philanthropic world, humanitarian world, because they could not get Krishna. If you have left this world as false, then why you are coming again to give service to the world? No, they could not get. Arujya krichena parang padam. Parang padam means Brahma. Patanti adha, they fall down. Why? Anadita jusmat angraya. Because they neglected the lotus feet of Krishna. They did not get any shelter. It's like if you go very high in the sky, but if you don't get a shelter, then again you come back. Just like these moon planet goers, they attempted many times jumping, but they could not get any shelter. They have come back again. Now they have, I think, left. The grapes are sour. After jumping, the jackal, when he could not get the grapes, then he says, the grapes are sour. That is no need. So these so-called scientists, after jumping like the jackal, could not get any place in the moon planet, and they have come down again. It is not possible. You cannot go to any of the planets, although they are material. You cannot, just like you cannot go to any country without getting the visa permit. Similarly, there are many planets. They are open for your entrance, but not in that way, that by force you will go. That is not possible. Therefore in the Bhagavad Gita it is said, Janti deva brata deva. You have to qualify yourself to enter into such planets. They are called heavenly planets. You cannot enter by force. Therefore you are conditioned. We are not free. We are conditioned. We should always remember that we are conditioned by the material nature. We are not free, we are not independent. That we are forgetting. At the present moment, the trend of civilization is that everyone is thinking that he is independent. He can do whatever he likes, he can manufacture, his own process of religious principles. These, I would say, madden ideas are there. No. Religious principle you cannot manufacture. Just like law, you cannot say that I will manufacture my own law. No, that is not possible. Law means state's law and you have to abide by that. That is law. You cannot avoid it. You cannot say that I won't accept the state laws, I will make my own laws. That is not possible. Dharmantu sakshat bhagavat pranitam. Dharma means the laws and the regulation given by God. That is dharma. Therefore Krishna said, Sarva dharman parityajya mamekam saranam. This is real dharma. And Bhagavat says, dharma projjita koitava atra. In the Srimad Bhagavatam, all cheating types of religious principle is rejected. The real dharma is to surrender to Krishna. That is real dharma. And any religion which does not teach this principle to surrender to God, Krishna, and love Him, that is real religion. Therefore, Bhagavad teaches that real religion, Bhagavad Dharma. And Bhagavad declares in the beginning that all cheating type of religious system is rejected, kicked out, projita. Projita means just like you wash your floor or sweep your floor and collect the dust and throw it away. Similarly, in the Srimad Bhagavatam, the what is called unwanted so-called religious system, they have been collected and thrown away. Here in the Srimad Bhagavatam, there is only one religious system which is spoken in the Bhagavad Gita in the last chapter, 18th chapter, the Sarva Dharman Parityajya Mam Ekam Saranam. If we accept this principle, then we enter into the Bhagavad Dharma. Otherwise, there is no entrance in the Bhagavad Dharma. So, the Bhagavad Dharma is meant for Parama Nirmasarana. Masrata means one who cannot endure or can tolerate others' advancement. That is called masrata. That is the nature of everyone. Everyone is trying to advance more. The neighbor is envious. Oh, this man is going ahead. I could not. This is, even if he is brother, even if he is son, this is the nature of the... So therefore, this Bhagavad Dharma is not meant for such persons who are envious. It is meant for the Parama Nirmasana, who has given up this envy or envious attitude ultimately. How it is possible? It is possible only when you have learned how to love Krishna. Then it is possible. Then you will see that everyone is Krishna's part and parcel. So he is suffering for want of his Krishna consciousness. Let me speak something about him, about Krishna. Let me give some literature to him about Krishna, so that one day he will come to Krishna consciousness and become happy. This is Savanam Kirtanam, the Smaranam process. We should ourselves also continuously hear from authoritative literature, person, and continuously go on chanting the same thing, repetition. That's all. Then everything will be happy atmosphere. Otherwise, the crows assembly in the garbage will continue and nobody will be happy. Thank you very much.
Prabhupada.